Hey everyone, are you ready to level up your banking? The Vybe by BPI app lets you earn rewards, use a free e-wallet, and do free transfers. But first, you need to connect it to your main BPI account. I'm going to show you the step-by-step way to link your BPI account to the Vybe app in just a few minutes. Before we begin, you must be successfully enrolled in BPI Online or the BPI Mobile App. You'll need your BPI Online username and password for this process. Step 1. Head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for Vybe by BPI. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the Vybe app. You will see the welcome screen. Tap the Join the Vybe button. Step 2. The app will ask, "Are you an existing BPI Online user?" Since we are linking your existing BPI account, you must tap Yes. Step 3. You will now be asked to enter your BPI Online username and password. Input the exact credentials you used to log in to your main BPI mobile app. After entering your details, tap the Login button. Step 4. BPI will send a 6-digit one-time PIN OTP via SMS to your BPI-registered mobile number. Enter the 6-digit code in the app to verify your identity. This is how the app confirms that it's really you linking the account. Step 5. Now you need to nominate your 4-digit mobile personal identification number, MPIN. This is the code you will use to quickly log in to the Vybe app in the future. Confirm your chosen MPIN. Step 6. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once you're comfortable, tap the box to agree and then tap Submit. Congratulations. You are now registered and your BPI account is linked to Vybe. You'll see a success message. You can now proceed to log in using your newly created 4-digit MPIN. When you log in, you will see a screen with the Vybe e-wallet and the BPI Rewards points displayed. Your BPI deposit accounts are now accessible for transactions like add money to your Vybe e-wallet. And your BPI Rewards points are automatically linked and viewable. That's all there is to it. You are now a Vybe Pro user, and you can start enjoying those free InstaPay transfers and BPI rewards. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you plan to use Vybe for the free transfers or the rewards. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful banking guides.